It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's episode is keto just for health. Keto is famous for being a diet, but it would be a much better way to look at it if you look at it as a healthy lifestyle. Some diets are just not good for you. They only work for a short time, and they may actually make you unhealthy. Keto is a way to eat for the long run, for your whole life. Some people eat keto just for the health benefits. They may not even need to lose weight. There's two main reasons people get so healthy on keto. First, it's low carb, meaning low sugar. People eat so much sugar, a lot of times without even knowing it. Sugar is put into processed foods so much, it's become normal and accepted. After many years on a high-carb sugar diet, the body gets worn out from processing it all. Your poor pancreas gland pumps out insulin until it's exhausted. Meanwhile, the cells of your body stop accepting the insulin, so the sugar stays in the bloodstream. That creates a lot of problems, including a poor immune system, not to mention prediabetes and diabetes. A big majority of people who died from COVID-19 virus had high blood pressure. They couldn't fight it. The parts of their system that fight infections were already worn out. Yes, there's a little more to it than that, but high blood sugar was a common denominator. The second reason keto makes you healthy, no grains are allowed. As a side effect of lowering carbs, keto warriors don't eat any grains, and it's a good thing too. All grains, not just wheat, have either gluten or part of the gluten protein. When the body sees any part of the gluten protein, it reacts as if whole gluten is present. There was a study done recently to find out how much of the population reacts badly to gluten. Want to guess? All of us, 100% of the population, reacts to gluten with an inflammatory response. True, some people react more than others, some only a small amount and some a lot. But still, why eat something that does bad things to your body and your body doesn't like? As a side note, wheat is mentioned in the Bible as the staff of life. That was actually true back when the Bible was written. But wheat has been genetically modified over the generations, so that now the gluten content is 25 times higher than it was then. The old biblical wheat just doesn't exist anymore. If you are more sensitive to gluten, you'll have much more pronounced symptoms from eating grains. Personally, I get bloating immediately and then long-term internal damage over time, which does a whole bunch of other things to the body. I was sick for 11 years. I had a wide range of symptoms. I would collapse for days to the point where I couldn't go out of the house. I had chronic fatigue. And then when my body got really out of balance, I had terrible anxiety, panic, and depression episodes because my body chemistry was so far out of balance. My digestion would become like my enemy. Toward the end of this period of being sick, I was losing a pound a day. So right here is where you stop me and say, wow, that sounds awesome. Just what I'm trying to accomplish. No, that's not how it works. Losing weight like that is more like when you have cancer or some terrible disease. It's not fun or healthy. I was on my way to dying. When I was at my worst, I finally found a doctor who figured out what was going on. She took me off of all grains, soy, and dairy. Immediately, I started getting better. It took me a few years to get back to full strength, and it wasn't easy. I was doing a version of the keto diet before it was a thing. These days, the keto system is all laid out for us. People who do it regularly report that their doctors are amazed and astonished at their improvement. Their blood work changes for the better. They come off medications with their doctor's permission, of course. They look and feel years younger. These are symptoms of good health, regardless of the number on the scale. Good health and a happy life is the real final goal here. So enjoy the journey. Don't get too hung up on the scale. Get free of aches, pains, and unnecessary medications. That is what will make a great life. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.